Hello kids, welcome to Pastel TV. Like and subscribe. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a vast forest filled with lush green trees, small puddles, and cool shaded groves, many animals with different traits lived together. Hedgehogs waited for the evening under the bushes. Squirrels carried pine cones along oak branches, and woodpeckers tapped on dry trunks, looking for a place to nest. By the stream, frogs leaped into the water while dragonflies hovered above with their shimmering wings. On sunlit rocks, turtles loved to warm themselves because their bodies gathered strength from the sun. In open fields, wild clovers grew, daisies swayed gently, and blackberry bushes spread in curling patterns. As the sun rose higher, the forest grew even more lively. That morning, 3 squirrels were excitedly talking near the strawberry bushes. Their ears were perked up, and their tails were trembling. "The rabbit is going to run again today," said one. In the forest, almost everyone had heard of the rabbit's morning runs. By the stream, he would suddenly accelerate, making the ground tremble with soft thuds, and then disappear in an instant. As he ran, his long ears flew back, and his paws barely touched the ground. Young animals watched him with admiration, and some dreamed of being as fast as him. "The turtle set off early this morning too," said another squirrel. The turtle started his day with the first light of dawn. He loved the gentle warmth of the sun on his back, and as he walked, he breathed in the scent of flowers and listened to the songs of birds. When he reached rocky paths, he carefully chose each step and never lost his balance. He didn't speak much, but when he thought, he always thought wisely. "Rabbit is very fast," said the smallest squirrel. "Last week, he passed right in front of the fox like the wind," said a young hedgehog with admiration. "But the turtle never gets tired," said another squirrel. "He walked all day yesterday from morning until evening. If it were me, I would sit down halfway," said a young bunny, shaking his ears. Just then, soft thumping sounds came from the path. Put, put, put. The leaves of the strawberry bushes rustled slightly. The rabbit, having just finished his morning run, arrived there, breathing quickly. His fur shone, and his chest rose and fell. He had heard what was being said and puffed out his chest proudly. "If you have speed, you have everything," he said. "The slow ones have no chance." As the animals looked at each other, a rustling sound came from the other side of the path. The turtle appeared from between the bushes. He slowly lifted his head and looked at the rabbit. There was no anger on his face, only a quiet curiosity. "Not every path is finished with speed alone," he said. The rabbit burst into laughter. His laughter echoed through the tree trunks. Then he threw his ears back and looked around with a mocking smile. Seeing the curiosity in the eyes of the animals watching him made him even more arrogant. "Did you hear that?" he said. "The turtle is teaching me about the road." A few young animals glanced at each other shyly. The rabbit drew a line on the ground with his paw near the strawberry bush. "When I run, even the wind can't keep up with me, but some can't even beat a falling leaf." Then he looked up and turned to the turtle. "If you think speed doesn't matter, let's prove it in a race," he said. He flicked his tail and looked around. "Let everyone see today." The turtle was bothered by the rabbit's arrogance, but he remained calm. "All right, let's race. Let's see who wins." When the animals in the forest heard the news, they gathered in a clearing. The owl became the referee. The fox stretched a finish line made of colorful leaves. The hedgehogs huddled together in excitement. The rabbit and the turtle took their places at the starting line. The turtle thought to himself, "I'm not walking to defeat anyone, but to finish what I started." The owl raised his wings. "Ready, go." The rabbit shot forward like an arrow. Dry leaves flew into the air, and the grass bent to either side. In just a few breaths, he had already covered half the distance. He turned back to look. The turtle still seemed close to the starting point. "Was it this easy?" he said to himself. "Even if I rest a bit, he can't catch up." There was a large oak tree by the side of the path. Its shade was cool, and the ground beneath it was soft. The rabbit lay down under the tree. The breeze coming through the leaves gently brushed his ears. "I'll just close my eyes for a moment," he said. But that moment turned into a deep, sweet sleep. Meanwhile, the turtle continued forward patiently, despite his slow pace. After a while, he reached the oak tree. The rabbit was fast asleep. His nose twitched, as if he were still running in his dreams. The turtle paused and looked at him. "I wish he used his speed for effort instead of pride," he thought. Then he quietly continued on his way. As he approached the finish line, all the animals stood up. The squirrels hung from branches. Birds circled overhead. The owl adjusted his glasses. "He's coming! He's coming!" Voices rose. At that very moment, the rabbit woke up. He jumped to his feet and looked around. Where is the turtle? When he saw that the turtle was only a few steps away from the finish line, his heart began to pound. He ran as fast as he could, like the wind, kicking up dirt behind him. But it was too late. The turtle took his final step and crossed over the leaf line. There was a moment of silence. Then the whole forest came alive at once. Squirrels swung down from branches, wagging their tails. Hedgehogs tapped the ground with their tiny paws. Frogs croaked loudly from the stream. Birds soared into the sky, drawing circles above. The forest filled with applause stronger than the wind itself. A few moments later, the rabbit reached the finish line. His ears drooped and his face turned red. For the first time, he realized that speed alone was not enough. The turtle turned to him and smiled. "You are fast," he said, "but speed becomes true strength only when combined with care and consistency." The rabbit lowered his head. "I lost today," he said, "but I think I learned something for the first time." The turtle nodded. Anyone who learns is never truly defeated. From that day on, the rabbit continued to run fast, but he never bragged again. The turtle, as usual, continued walking calmly, and for a long time, The forest repeated these words. Big steps may impress, but small and steady steps lead you to the goal. That's all for today. Like and subscribe. See you next time, kids.